Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If the function f is defined by f of x negative 1 equals to x square negative 1, which of the following represents f of x? Here we have a function f, that is f of x negative 1 equals to x square negative 1, and this function is not in regular format. A function is considered to be in regular format when we have a single variable over here at the place of x negative 1. But here we don't have single variable, we have an expression. And according to the question, we have to get this function in regular format, that is f of x, because here we have single variable. Okay, how do you have to get this function in regular format? First, let me write the given function as it is. That is f of x negative 1 equals to x square negative 1. To get this function in regular format, that is in the form f of x, what I have to do is I have to assign a new variable for the expression we have over here. That is, let me assign a new variable t for this expression, that is t equals to x negative 1. Since I have assigned a new variable t for x negative 1, I have to get this complete function in terms of the new variable t. For that, we have to solve for x in terms of t in this equation. Let me write this equation as it is. It is t equals to x negative 1. To solve for x in terms of t, let me add 1 to both sides of this equation. Then this negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. I am getting t positive 1 on the left side. On the right side, I am getting x. Okay, here I have solved for x in terms of t. Okay, now let me take the given function, that is f of, we know that t equals to x negative 1. Now we can plug in this t for x negative 1 over here. Then we get f of t equals to, on the right side, we have to get everything in terms of t, because we got the function f in terms of t. So already we have solved for x in terms of t, that is x equals to t positive 1. For this x, we can plug in t positive 1, the whole square negative 1. Okay, here f of t equals to, now we have to get the expansion of the square of the binomial over here. For that, we can consider the algebraic identity a positive b the whole square. Its expansion is a square positive 2ab positive b square. Okay, whenever I want to get expansion of the square of a binomial in this form, so we can use a trinomial value over here. This binomial, I mean the square of the binomial over here is exactly in this form. At the place of a we have t, at the place of b we have 1. Now to get expansion for this one, we have to use this trinomial. At the place of a, we have to write t. At the place of b, we have to write 1. Okay, now let me continue. That is for a square, I have to write t square. For 2ab, 2 times t times 1. And for b square, I have to write 1 square. So this is the expansion for this t positive 1 the whole square. We can write this negative 1 at last. Okay, we get f of t equals to t square positive 2 times t times 1 is 2t positive. The value of 1 square is just 1 negative 1. Okay, here this the positive negative 1 will cancel out. Then we get f of t equals to t square positive 2t. Okay, here I got the given function in regular format in terms of the new variable t. Now let's replace each t over here by x. Then I'm getting f of x equals to x square positive 2x. Okay, here I got the given function in regular format, that is f of x equals to x square positive 2x. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.